Have you wondered why some affiliate marketers are going sky high and why some others are going straight to the ground? What makes the difference between super affiliate and common affiliate? And how you can become a super affiliate marketer and earn a luxury living? Hi guys, my name is Ishan Narang, and in this video I'm going to tell you of 5 easy tips on how you can be a super affiliate marketer. Plus I have a special pro tip for you in the end, so stay tuned till the end. Okay, but before, let me tell you who actually a super affiliate is. You see, due to increasing internet exposure and social media, almost everyone seems to be interested in becoming an affiliate these days. Am I right? But only a few can actually make it a top tier, or you can say making a living. Okay, so a super affiliate marketer is someone who tops the game of affiliate marketing industry and makes a unique identity in the crown of this market. But hey, all these super affiliates are not actually superhumans, right? You can be a super affiliate too. Trust me, it just takes a little more dedication from you and nothing else. So just take this tip as a super serum and you are ready to fly as a super affiliate marketer. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Okay, so please subscribe now. So here is my first tip for you. Be the hardest worker in the market. Well, I know you must be hearing this since forever. Like when you coach or teacher said you need to work hard, kid, or now you must be asking me like, if I had to work hard, then I must have chosen to be a scientist or a professional athlete. Why would I choose such a career option which they call as a passive income? Well, that's where you are going wrong, my friend. Even though you have read so many articles or heard people referring to affiliate marketing as a passive income, but I will suggest you never. I repeat, never take affiliate marketing as a passive income, as there is no such marketing strategy which can just set and forget. You have to give your best performance to make your content and all marketing strategies better than any other if you want to earn better than others. Okay? And now you see, this is what makes a difference between super affiliate and an amateur marketer. So my first tip to be a super affiliate is you have to constantly put in work, monitor every penny spent, and keep evaluating your strategies. Now let's move to our second tip, and I have for you that is learn from your competitors. Your competitor can always give you a valuable lesson. You can learn from their mistakes and avoid what not to do. Okay. Also check what drives more conversions and clicks for them. Like study their channel, their strategies, their campaign on social media, or see their interaction or find out what draws attention to them. And here is my suggestion for you. You can even look at the professionals and other super affiliates for inspiration by attending their webinars or doing your research before you begin your own journey. Trust me, you won't be wasting your time doing all this. In fact, you can save time in the long run, so you can avoid mistakes they made in their initial time as an affiliate marketer. Alright guys, now as a third tip, I will say choose a right niche. You may have heard of choosing your niche as 100 times, like, well, take this as 101 because that's how important choosing a niche is. You see, choosing a niche is a one thing, and choosing a niche that perfectly suits you is another level of super skill. And when it comes to like becoming an affiliate marketer, I say that you should choose a niche in which you have some prior knowledge and a skill, and avoid stepping into a total alien territory, as this may decrease your chances of your success as an affiliate. Other than your knowledge and interest, you should also check the profitability of the niche you are going to pick. Okay, after all, you have to become a super affiliate who earns super profit. So you can get more info on how to choose a profitable niche for affiliate marketing through my other video. The link is mentioned in the description box below. Moving on, the fourth tip for you is to use email marketing. Do you know what the major thing that you can make your super affiliate marketer? It is the quality of not just attracting customer but retaining them. And email marketing is one such way that helps you in retaining your customer. You can build an email list of your own, and you can buy a solo ad if you want. This will allow you to expand and grow a solid customer base, which can simply lead you to more conversions. And we have a separate detailed video for you on how to use follow ads for affiliate marketing. You can give a watch. Link is mentioned in the description box below. And now I have a final tip that I will suggest you to strive to be a more consistent. I'm not just saying in terms of like giving daily content to your audience, but I'm asking you to measure your consistency in terms of click-through rate and conversions too. You have to always find new strategies to match a dynamic environment of this industry to yield profits even on the toughest days when it seems hard to get it. There are several technical tools and platforms out there which can help you in this case. I suggest Volume, Linktrust, and Everflow.io are some good options that can help you to track and optimize your success metrics for you to become a super affiliate marketer. Alright guys, with this we have come to the end of this video, but wait, since we have come so far, I have a pro tip for you. It's a practice that many super affiliates do, and that is to collaborate with other super affiliates. Yeah, it's kind of like a affiliate avenger. Collaborating with others can give you an industrial recognition. Plus, your name being tagged to some big marketers can even build a solid trust of your customers in you. So, when you can start growing as an affiliate, it's try collaborating with other affiliates to become a super affiliate. Alright? I hope you will find this video useful, and if you would like to be a part of my community and want to learn how to make money online, please join my Facebook group. Link is already mentioned in the description box below. I will see you there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.